Learn how to fix your windows that do not go up or down anymore. If you've replaced your battery or disconnected the battery cables, you're going to have to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with your master switch does work, but you'll notice that all the other switches, well, that one seems to work now, but this one doesn't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the rear right window, and you are going to press this down about halfway, stop it, then you're going to pull the switch back up so that it goes to the top and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, then we're going to go back to the main, and we're going to go back to that switch, and there it goes. So you're going to do that consecutively to all the windows. So let's try this one. This one doesn't work behind me. This is the passenger side. So let's do this one. So you're going to go down halfway again, stop it, and you're going to pull the switch back up again until the window goes all the way up and hold it 5 seconds. Just keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it, let go. And we're going to go back to this one, and here we go. Boom, there it goes. So you're going to do that to all the windows until all of them work, and that's how you fix it. That's a Lexus IS 250. It's a 2006. This works for pretty much all the Toyota cars that I know of. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.